What's up YouTube, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to make an RNB type beat in flstudio mobile. This beat is one of the beats that I'm gonna drop on 14th Feb, Valentine's Day. So yeah man, I'm creating some beats tape, and make sure you stay tuned and download. I make it for free or you buy. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but thank you for tuning in. Hope you take something in this video. Let's go. First thing first, I started with the this vocal. Then I had to add some effects and cut out the highs and the lows, and I added this chord progression. Then after that I had to follow the root note of the vocal. Then I added a bass. This is the third thing I added on this R&B beat. Then after that I added another counter melody just to keep it bouncing, grooving, jamming. And yeah man, I'm about to release another beat tape on my piano. Make sure you stay tuned. Another thing, that the last thing I added was this last sound just to give it a melody and something meaningful. And that's it for this beat. The last thing I did was the drums, and that's it. So now I want to play the whole beat. Stay make sure you comment, subscribe, like my videos, and thank you for staying loyal to me, and see you in the next video.